So today I'm going to quickly show you how to see your virtual card on your Capital One app. Now, as you can see, we're actually on our Capital One account here in real time. We're currently on the home page of this app. So I want you to be able to follow along here in real time. Now, what we want to do is go ahead and click on the account that has the debit card attached, which is typically going to be a checking account, which we're going to go ahead and click on for our example is the Cap Bill Pay account, which is what we named ours. And that's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and it's going to give you a bunch of different options that say I want to, and from here you're going to see a section that says view all. So we're going to want to go ahead and click on this. And while we go through this, also too, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button to allow us to make more free content just like this. All right, so we went ahead and clicked on view all, and it takes us to this new page. And what we want to do is actually just go ahead and keep scrolling down until you see where it says manage debit card. And if you scroll down here, there's going to be a section that says view debit card. So we're going to click on this. And that's going to take us to a page that looks very similar to this. Yours might actually stop you for just a quick moment to give you an example of the overall account. And then once you hit OK, it'll take you to this next step here, which you can click on view. So you can see your full 16-digit debit card, as well as your expiration date and your CVV number, as well as which account it's actually currently linked up to. Now, of course, you can also go ahead and add your debit card right over here very quickly to any of these accounts by hitting that little plus sign and walking you through each of those steps. Now, there is more to teach you when it comes to utilizing your Capital One account. No worries, we got you covered. Go ahead and check out this video right over here on screen to keep on learning.